Hello guys, how are you? Hope you're doing amazing. We are 𝐕𝐢𝐝 Solutions, a registered IT company ready to take your business to the next level. Do you run a business in retail, wholesale, or training? Then listen up. You must categorize everything properly. Why? Because organization is the key to success. Without it, managing your business becomes a nightmare. After setting up the units of measurement, don't forget to add your products or item, but wait, there's more. Your customers and suppliers are the backbone of your business. Got existing customers with active accounts? Add them now. Got suppliers? Don't wait, add them too. Vendors providing you with materials or products? Get them into the system right away. Once everything is set up, you'll be buying and selling like a pro. How to add a new customer? It's super simple. Just go to the customer module, then customer details, and click add. One date field. Select today's date or pick a previous one if the customer joined earlier. Want to mention their last balance date? You can. 2, customer name, enter their full name, make sure it's 100% accurate to avoid confusion later. 3, email. Want to send emails later? Enter the email address here. 4, phone number. This field is mandatory. Why? Because if there's a payment issue, you need to contact them ASAP. You can add 1 or multiple phone numbers. 5, ID card number. The national identity card number is required for records. 6, address. Type the complete address so you always know where your customers are. Area option. This is super important for wholesalers and distributors. Why? Because it helps you track sales by location. Want to find out which area buys the most? You can. Let's say, for example, we type Talagang. Now you can monitor profits, losses, and top-selling areas. 8, discount percentage. Set a fixed discount for the customer. Whenever they buy, the discount applies automatically. 5 or 10%. You decide. Oh, and don't worry, this can be adjusted at the time of billing. 9, opening balance. This is the amount the customer owes you. By default, it's set to receivable because you usually collect payments. No outstanding balance. Just leave it as 0. Need to pay the customer instead. Select payable and enter the amount. This is rare, but it happens, like when a customer makes an advance payment. Credit limit. Set a credit limit for your customer. If they hit the limit, the software won't allow more credit. Want to increase the limit? Do it anytime, even during billing. Bonus, the credit limit and discount options are advanced accounting features. 1, tax status. Choose wisely. If the customer is a tax filer, 0.5% the tax will be deducted. Non-filer, if they're not a filer, 1% tax will be deducted. Unregistered, select this and no tax will be deducted. Good news, you can edit these tax options anytime while making an invoice. 1-2 description field. Want to add more details? Use this field. You can even enter a manual page book number or any specific agreement. Monthly payment agreement. If there's an agreed monthly payment plan, record it here. Final step, once you've filled in the required fields, date, customer name, and opening balance, just hit save. If you have any customers, you will save them in this form. You must ensure that the 3 fields, date, customer, and opening balance, are mandatory to fill. Other fields are optional, and it's up to you whether you want to fill them or not. If you do, they will be included in the business balance. And guess what? After adding the customers, you can also edit their details and then save them. Now, to add a supplier or vendor, click on the Add Supplier option and go to the Supplier Details section. From there, click on the Add button. In the name field, enter the full name of your vendor or supplier. The supplier can be an individual or a company. For example, if Mohammed Ashfaq is one of your suppliers, you can enter his name here. If he belongs to a company, you should also mention the company name. But hey, if you are a company yourself, just mention your company name and leave the rest blank. Simple, right? Now, here's something cool. If you receive a default discount from a company or supplier, like 72%, 30%, or even 15%, it will automatically be applied when you complete the purchase bill and add the supplier. No need to do the math yourself, the software will handle it. For example, if there's a 15% discount, the system applies it automatically. And what if you owe money to this supplier? No worries. Just enter the amount in the opening balance field and mark the option as payable. If you don't owe anything, just enter 0. Oh, and don't forget, in the description field, you can add extra details like a page register number. Then just click Save and hit OK, and that's it. You can add all your suppliers into the software just like that. All right, that's all for this one. Meet you in the next video. Bye.